Hello, my name is Helgi Sigurdsson, Senior Product Manager at Semtech. In this video, I will show how simple and easy it is to reskin the BlueRiver AV Manager application with custom logo and colors. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do here is that I'm going to browse to the location where the application was installed. So this was installed using the default path. So this goes into user, app data, roaming, Semtech, BlueRiver AV Manager. And the first step is to go into the README file. And in the README file, there's a lot of information there. And for example, information how to reskin the app. So the first thing is, okay, how to change the logo. Well, changing the logo is about changing a file with another file. It's as simple as that. So logo.sh, this is here the file that we are using. We basically are swapping that logo file for another file and renaming the old file and bringing the new file and renaming that to logo.svg. And then basically what the only thing I have to do after that, after I replaced, I have to just refresh the page, and there it is. Now, it's a little bit more involved changing the colors. But again, you go into the README file, you look into what you have to do. In this case, what you have to do is you have to add a configuration file into the data directory. So we have an example configuration file located there, and we just copy it into the data directory. The first thing we do here is that we rename it to config.conf, right? Then we edit it. We don't need the top part, which is more like for debugging, troubleshooting, which is also explained how to use in the README file. So what we are going to do is we are going to change the title name here to My Manager instead of BlueRiver AV Manager. We are going to put the app header as a custom AV Manager. And then to change the colors, I'm actually going to use this HTML color codes website to select the color. I'm going to pick a red here to match the Canadian flag. And I copy that as a primary color, okay? Then I'm going to select a slightly lighter color here for the background. I'm going to copy that as the secondary color, copy that into this configuration file, save the configuration file. Now, in addition, I cannot just refresh the page. I actually have to restart the application. So to do that, you go into the Task Manager services, you restart the two services that are involved here, BlueRiver API and BlueRiver AV Manager services. You restart them, refresh the page, and here you are. So that is all. So very, very simple to do. Like I said, it's about going into the README file, looking into the instructions, how to change the application, change the logo, and how to change the colors, and just follow those instructions. The BlueRiver AV Manager application includes the full source code for complete customization. Watch additional BlueRiver videos and download a copy of the BlueRiver AV Manager to try it out today.